Ethereum valued Jabber to $2,686.98 a coin. The present Jabber cost range is $635.50 to $758. The Jabber day closed 2648/12. The change was 38.86 Jibber. Reverse rate USD to Jibber. Dollar to Ethereum figure for January Jibber. Before all else cost at Jibber coins, Jibber cost 0.373 while low 0.291. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.326. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.347. Change for January Jabber. USD to ETH expectation for February Jabber. Before all else cost at 0.347 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.333. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.357. Change for Jabber 2.9%. Dollar to Ethereum Jabber for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 0.357 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.325. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH Jabber toward the month's end 0.348. Change for spring 2.5%. Jabber to ETH expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at 0.348 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.348 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.319. The USD to ETH Jibber toward the month's end 0.3 Zimbrd. Change for April 13.8%. Dollar to Ethereum Jabber for May 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.275. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.296. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.294. Change for May 2.0%. Jibber to ETH expectation for June 2025. At the outset cost at 0.294 Jabber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.265. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.283. Change for Jibber 3.7%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for July Jibber. At the Jibber cost at 0.283 coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.228. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.260. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.244. Change for Jibber 13.8%. USD to ETH expectation for August Jabber. Initially cost at 0.244 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.262 while low 0.228. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.245. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for August 0.0%. Dollar to Ethereum Jabber for September 2025. At the outset cost at 0.244 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.204. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 228. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.218. Change for Jabber 10.7%. USD to ETH Jabber for October 2025. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 0.218 while low 0.180. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.22. The USD to ETH figure toward the Jabber end 0.193. Change for October nice 11.5%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for November Jibber. Before all else cost at 0.193 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.166. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.183. The Jibber to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.178. Change for November minus 7.8%. USD to ETH Jibber for December 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.188 while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.176. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.175. Change for Jibber 1.7%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for Jabber 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.183 while low 0.159. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH gauge toward the Jibber end 0.170. Change for January 2.9%. US to ETH expectation for Jabber 2026. At the outset, cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.181 while low 0.157. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.169. The USD to Jabber conjecture toward the month's end 0.168. Change for February 1.2%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for Walk Jibber. At the outset cost at 0.168 Jabber. Jabber cost 0.175 while low 0.153. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.165. The USD to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.163. Change for Jabber 3.0%. USD to Jabber expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.163 Jabber. Jibber cost 0.175 while low 0.152. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH estimate toward the month's end Jabber. Change for April 0.0%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for May Jabber. At the outset cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.148. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to ETH conjecture toward the month's end Jabber. Change for May 2.5%. USD to Jabber expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.159 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to ETH figure toward the Jabber end 0.139. Change for June 12.6%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for July Jibber. Initially cost at 0.139 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.129. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.139. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 0.138. Change for July 0.7%. USD ETH expectation for August Jabber. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.138 while low Jibber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.127. The Jabber to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.19. Change for August 13.8%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for Jabber 2026. In the first place cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.19. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to ETH Jibber toward the month's end 0.128. Change for September 7.6%. USD to Jabber expectation for October 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.128 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.128. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.153. Change for October Jabber. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for Jibber 2026. At the outset cost at 0.13 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.123. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.14. The USD to ETH conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.132. Change for November 13.7%. USD to ETH expectation for Jabber 2026. First in Jabber cost at 0.132 coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.132. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH estimate toward the month's end 0.154. Change for December Jibber. Dollar to Jibber estimate for January 2027. First in Jibber cost at 0.154 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.154. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to ETH estimate toward the month's end Jabber. Change for January 8.4%. USD to ETH expectation for February Jibber. At the Jibber cost at 0.167 coins, Jibber cost 0.167 while low 0.134. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.153. The USD to ETH Jabber toward the month's end 0.144. Change for February 13.8%. Dollar to Jibber figure for Walk 2027. Jibber cost at 0.144 coins. Excessive cost 0.184.